Hi guys, today we are making regular baby burp, so stay tuned and watch this tutorial of newborn series. You're watching Momo Beginner Sewing. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. Hi guys, this is Momo and today we are making regular baby bibs on Momo Beginner Sewings. So this is a part of newborn baby series. This pattern can be downloaded from craftsy.com, and let's start with our cutting and sewing process. First of all, we are doing here cutting process. As you can see, I have take two pieces. One is plain, another one is a printed fabric of very nice organic fabric. I have just mapped my bib pattern over here. As you can see, this is a very different kind of bib, so you just need to map it over here. It is just a little bit struggle for me to set up, but you don't need to worry about the pattern because the pattern is in a paper format, and my particular pattern is of fabric which I have made I have created for myself on a fabric piece, or you can say a little bit tissue paper kind of piece. So it is just like that. You don't need to worry about your one. So let me cutting it in a super fast way. So I'm just done with my cutting. First of all, I will remove my pattern from here, and now I'm going to take my printed fabric and just going to have a single seam on it because we are going to have a little bit fencing on it, a lace and a strap and just like that, so it pops out on the front side, and the lining, or you can say a back side, would be a plain one, so I don't need it. I didn't need it. As you can see, I didn't make my printed fabric is on fold. It is a two pieces, as so this is a basically works on a stitched fabric. Now I am working on my front side decorations. I've just take a bias tape and applying lace on it, so just follow the steps and try to be more innovative if you have a stitched fabric, or you can just go for a plain one. I am done with my decoration piece or a fanciness piece. It is a pre-made lace kind of thing which is going to hide my stitched fabric fault. So it is not a fault, it is a very nice work done by me, and you can do as well by yourself. It is just a piece of fabric and it can be converted into a very nice bib, so it is a huge use of it. So just go ahead and don't embarrass yourself with it. I'm just applying it from the both side in a very nice way, and my fabric is my lace is kind of rick rack, not specifically, but it's a kind of rick rack, so it gives a very nice dimension. I've just removed the excess part from upper side and the bottom side, and my front is ready, and it just looks like very nice design pattern. It doesn't look like that it is a stash fabric. I'm just deploying my plain fabric on the printed one and going to set it, and then I will let you know that what I am going to do. I'm going to do a under stitch seam. I'm starting from this part of the neck and going to end it at this point. So I'm just going to make a roundabout of the seam on the edges and then come back to this point and stop it. So let me do it in a quick fast way. As you can see, I am just going to complete the edges, and now what I am doing, I'm just removing the excess part of this bib on the top, and now I am making the notches on all the curvy areas. So you can see there are so many curvy areas, so you have to cover it. I am just making it gradually, but you need to cover it from the outside and inside as well. And try to use a small shear for this, otherwise it is going to be very harmful for your dress and you are going to cut the all one. I've just did all the notches, and now I'm making the outer one. I have made all the notches inside and outside. Now I am making the dimension of the top edge of the bib, and it is going to be sew and now I am going to take it outside from the stitching part. As you can see, I have give a little bit amount of gap at the top of the neck side where I've just started. So this is the point that I am just going to explain you that you don't need to cover till the end of the point from we start. You should need to have a little bit gap from here. Now I'm just taking my bib out from the tunnel kind of area, so take it out from that area and then we will move on with further thing. So this is a little bit long procedure. I've just taken out all my bib from the gap side, and now I'm just giving a finished seam along with the edges, and then I will cover that particular gap which is just above my finger ring right now. I'm just about to complete the corner of it, and after that we are just done, and it is just a final finished seam that we need to do. And for this particular bib you can use a hook holder, or you can use a simple baby button or a button holder, and even it is a very nice magnetic tape kind of thing will be available in the market. You can use this that one as well. This is very feasible for babies from 3 months to till 6 months, so it can be carried well and it didn't stuck in the neck. So you can see that here you are going to have a button over here, and it is very nicely covered the neck of the kit. And so this is the tutorial of today's, guys. Hope you guys like it. Please share it, subscribe and like it. Thank you. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to us, like this video and share this video as well. See you soon.